We all love a wild pursuit, but what happens when police dash cams capture the most unbelievable moments? From unexpected twists to shocking surprises, these real-life events will have you questioning everything you thought you knew about high-stakes chases. Get ready for the ride of a lifetime. These are the moments you have to see to believe. A small plane was forced to make an emergency landing Thursday morning on Pacific Avenue in Parkland. The dramatic moment was captured on video by a trooper's dash cam. The Washington State Patrol reported that the plane's fuel system malfunctioned during its flight from Yelm to Boeing Field in Seattle, which led to the emergency landing. Thankfully, there were no injuries or damage reported from the incident. The trooper and the pilot worked together to push the plane off the road and into a nearby parking lot. A deputy outside Boise, Idaho, tries to clear the road after a flock of wild turkeys blocks traffic, with the birds turning into angry birds, and the officer bursting into uncontrollable laughter in the hilarious body cam footage.
Angry. Hey, get back. Get out of the road. Down the road! Down the road! Come on!
On August 20th, 2024, Lake County Sheriff's deputies were called to Campbell Airport after reports of a truck racing back and forth on an active runway.
You've never seen him before?
Never seen him before. And he's in our airplane.
I'm a part of the crew.
This is him?
Eric, he walking around opening hangars, playing with airplanes.
33 at 28.
33.
B truck 242-2593. 242-2593. So what are you doing here?
Hi, what's your name?
Deputy Zacharias, what's your name?
Therefore, comes back out of Zion on a Toyota.
My name's Ben.
Ben, what are you doing here?
I'm part of the crew. They're taking me up for a flight right now.
He's not part of the crew. He's been racing his pickup truck up and down the exit.
I'm his co-pilot.
You're not his co-pilot.
He's not a pilot. He's not a pilot.
I'm a co-pilot?
Oh, he's a trespasser.
Okay, do you have ID on you?
No, I have nothing, sir. I have absolutely nothing on.
What's your purpose of being here right now?
Upon arrival, officers discovered that Eric had parked his car and was wandering into hangars. He was eventually found inside an aircraft parked near a taxiway.
He's been opening hangars and walking around getting into people's...
Ben, why don't you leave? No, Ben, don't use my car. Get out of here.
Hey, this is the guy. You got me.
10-4. Do you have any ID on you at all?
Maybe in here? I don't know. I haven't checked. You can check. You can go right check.
Dude, he is out of his mind, so.
What do you guys want to do with me?
Well, they don't want you here.
I can leave if you want.
Well, that's what they wanted. They wanted you off the. They wanted you off the property.
People are saying you're gonna take me for a bit.
Who is?
That guy over there.
They don't want you here.
Ask him.
Sir, he's a trespasser.
I understand that, and
Eric didn't offer an explanation for his actions, and while deputies found ammunition in his vehicle, no firearm was located before the car was towed from the scene.
if you don't leave, then Eric, where are you going? Where are you going? Get out of the plane! Get out of the plane! Go, 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 go! Get out of the plane!
Poor guys. Good one. Squeezing on the arm. The arm's bad. And I have a bad left leg. I crashed. It's on the floor.
You're welcome. He just stepped into your plane and wouldn't get out, huh?
He's been opening hangars and getting in airplanes and picking up shit. We got a young lady here. We've been wanting to leave without her.
A young lady?
Definitely some
Just lay him down for a second.
Okay.
You got it. See, does he have anything now?
Check.
I'm outside. Thanks. Let's roll you over.
Oh, you
Get up
guys
on
really
your
put cuffs on me?
knees. You already have cuffs
Yeah,
on.
you have cuffs on you.
Jeez, hold on.
Get to your
Hold on.
knee.
Nope,
I'm
nope,
going
nope, the other way.
no?
Now put your knees down. Nope. This way.
Which one?
Take that and then roll yourself up. There you go. There you go. You're going.
Stop! Stop resisting and stop trying to flee!
I'm done. I swear. My arm.
What was that about?
My arm. I'm done. My arm hurts. My glasses. Oh, fuck.
No.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. That's what it feels like. Damn. Oh, fuck.
Stop.
Okay, I'm done.
32, we've got one in custody.
10-4 subject in custody.
That was a good one.
He doesn't have any ID on him.
You
try and run fire.
Damn, it looks like a bad guy.
That was 10-1. Can we do it?
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. You're good.
You try to run fires on the people, he has no ID on him. Let's get him in the back and just...
Yes, I do. Had me worried for a second.
They're right there.
Okay.
This time I am going to put the seatbelt. You're going to leave the
That's
seatbelt
fine.
on, all right?
Could you? No, don't worry about it. I'm
Just
okay.
keep your...
Get on the ground! On January 1st, 2024, a patrol officer with the Fish and Wildlife Conservation noticed a couple fishing along the fence line of a creek. Sensing something wasn't quite right, the officer decided to investigate further and approached the couple for a closer look.
Okay, can you turn the bike off for me? Yes, sir. Okay. You have your ID on you?
No, sir.
No ID? No nothing? Okay. You mind stepping off the bike?
Yes, sir.
No, stop. Turn it off. Turn it off. Stop. Stop.
Oh, man.
Get on the ground.
Oh, man.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Stop.
Please.
Get on the ground. 6211, 1094. 1094. Get on the ground.
Can't, man.
Get
You don't
on.
understand. I can't. Please. I didn't do nothing.
Nova Road, just north of the
Please.
orange Osceola line.
Please.
1094.
Please, man.
Get on the ground.
Please.
I'm going to tase you. Get your hands out of your pockets.
Please.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Man, come on.
Get on the ground.
Ew! Oh!
Taser deploy. Taser deploy.
Oh!
Roll over.
Oh, fuck.
Once the couple was placed in the police vehicles, the officer finally had the opportunity to search the suspect's belongings. It was then that he began to uncover the reason behind the suspect's haste to leave the scene.
And I tried to go into a resource inspection because I got a bunch of fishing rods and whatnot. He turns the bike off initially after I told him to. Well, then he starts it up and starts to try to race away. So I just pulled him down and toppled the bike. And then he threw a gun out of his pocket into the river. So the gun landed. Yeah, we're gonna need a wrecker. The gun landed about 20 feet right there.
Okay.
So like, where's something to throw? I don't know. It was about there.
Okay.
What is over there?
Go.
Oh,
He pulled it and threw it.
is he a felon?
Probably. I don't know. All right. This one was on the front. This one was on that chick's back.
She didn't do anything, so is she going?
Currently, she's detained.
Okay.
So yes. Pat's fishing. Huh.
Wonder what's in there.
It's actually fishing stuff?
It's kind of surprised.
As it turned out, the two lovebirds both had active warrants for their arrest. But that wasn't all. When the officer dug deeper, the main suspect found himself facing a slew of new charges. Along with the existing warrants, he was hit with counts of operating a motor vehicle without a license, obstruction, resisting arrest, tampering with evidence, and more.
Or
I said, well, what did he end up throwing in the water? I heard something got thrown in the water, and she said it was a knife.
no.
Right, so.
All right. If you guys can try to figure out the bike, we've got a wrecker coming. I might ask for a deputy that knows bikes, because I think it's stolen. I don't know. The hell am I going to do with all this property when I go to the jail because they're both going? I can't leave it on the motorcycle. Oh. Riley's going to be like, why the hell do you have two backpacks in evidence?
You started this call at like 2:30. I'm gonna put
Get on the ground!
Put your hands behind your back. How about you stealing a car, man?
Is that what it is? Those are facts?
You're in a stolen car. Tell me.
On May 11th, 2021, Wisconsin Original Ducks, a business located in Lake Delton, Wisconsin, reported a stolen work vehicle from their parking lot. After confirming the vehicle was missing, the employees were able to trace its location via GPS and immediately alerted local authorities. They also contacted OnStar, requesting the vehicle be disabled. Within moments, OnStar successfully halted the vehicle, and an Onalaska police officer arrived to find 32-year-old Joseph Hunt standing outside, confused and unsure of why the vehicle had suddenly come to a stop.
Cover car! Cover car! Cover car!
Get on the ground. Put your hands behind your back.
Don't move. Where we at? Where all my friends are getting fucking slaughtered. So right? Stop! What else is new?
Before realizing the vehicle had been stolen, employees overheard strange radio chatter. A man could be heard bragging that his grandmother would enjoy the new ride. This raised immediate suspicion and led them to further investigate, ultimately uncovering the theft.
Got anything on you I should know about?
Hey, where's my Wells Fargo
Anything on you I should know about? Let's get him on the side. Let's get him off his chest.
You guys are fucking worthless.
How about you stealing a car, man?
Is that what it is? Those are facts?
You're in a stolen car, tell me.
Look, the paper says Joseph Anthony Hunt.
Okay, relax, relax, relax.
What the fuck is your
You have
problem?
anything on you I should know about?
Hunt was subsequently arrested by the Onalaska police. He denied that the vehicle was stolen and provided officers with false information about how he had come into possession of it.
You don't think I get gas money, can you?
Relax. Go ahead.
Fucking unbelievable. I can own a Wells Fargo card that has $76 billion, but I can't have fucking gas money. Is that why this happened? No. Your worthless ass can't fucking do anything but leech off motherfuckers. Okay.
Stand up for me a bit. Stand up. Stand up, dude.
Y'all are crooked. Oh shit! I'm gonna kill this guy in jail.
Relax.
You did. Only facts. Piece of shit.
Hold on, Joel.
You too. Were you guys butt buddies? Oh, what was my name? Last name?
Alright. So he was broken down, or well, obviously OnStar killed the car. And he's standing outside with his hands up, kind of like flailing around upset, and he takes the keys and chucks them over the back of the car. So, doesn't he?
I called dispatch to see what Lake Delton wants done with it. So.
Is it registered to Wisconsin Ducks?
It is. That's where it must be.
Did he just pull over, or did
OnStar
OnStar killed it, and so he's standing outside the car looking at it like something's wrong with it. I imagine they're gonna want to fingerprint it.
I don't know. Well, since we got the ball here.
What's your name, bud? Joseph?
Is it cool enough?
Is in Joseph Anthony Hunt.
Is it cool enough in there? Do you want windows open and the AC on?
Maybe I had a dog.
Do you want the AC on? I'll turn it on for you.
County has confirmed the stolen, but haven't said what to do with it yet. I can put their number on the header.
It's like this was somebody's personal truck.
I've asked him several times if there's anything it is in this truck that he wants, and
I don't think there is.
I'm a ferry, this and that.
I don't think there is anything of his in here.
You didn't have nothing to hit, like this is baseball stuff.
That's a softball. It's a little girl's softball stuff. I think this was used as a personal car.
Company car that
Yeah, none of his stuff is in here. There's nothing in there.
Done, big boy.
You doing okay?
Fuck off.
Okay.
He's the same guy and the guy in the back seat.
How old is this picture?
We don't know. That's old.
I'd say yeah. That looks like it's right.
But
Yeah,
that's him.
that's him.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's get him out of here.
All right.
Thanks, Ed.
Cool.
He was spitting.
Joseph Hunt now faces a felony charge of operating a motor vehicle without the owner's consent, along with misdemeanor charges of operating after revocation, drunk driving related offenses, and bail jumping.